Do you know that our brain physical structure adapts to all the new information that we receive, either what we see from our eyes, what we hear from our ears, what we think or feel in our body, and what we touch and what we smell. So all these information help our brain to build new connection. And because of this new information, because of these new connection, we have this phenomena called neuroplasticity. And why this is important, especially in terms of the parenting. So let's say, if we want our children to be kind, be polite, be respectful, so how we help our children to build those pathways in the brain is by showing them, when someone misbehaves, we bring gentleness, we bring kindness, we bring empathy. So what they see, what they hear, what they think and feel, based on that similar kind of connection builds in the brain. So what happens when they are seeing this over and over, that when, let's say, if at home, if one parent make a mistake and the other parent, rather than yelling, screaming and blaming, being more kind, being more understanding, being more empathic before making any conclusion. And then if that is happening over and over, and that is what they are seeing, that is what they are hearing, that is what they are feeling, then the similar connections are building in their brain. So when, let's say, in the school, if someone misbehaved, if someone said bad things, or rather than yelling, screaming, blaming, they, because those, the kindness, empathy, being respectful pathways are built in the brain, so they are more likely to display the same kind of behavior. So it's very important to understand the concept of neuroplasticity, that our brain, both for children and adults, they are growing based on the information we are receiving. So it's very important to help our children, not only telling them what is right and wrong, but actually displaying them, actually becoming a role model, so that these behavior that we are asking our children to do, they are seeing, they are hearing, they are feeling over and over again. And that will hopefully help parents to understand how they can build those characteristic, build those strength that they want their children to have.